Hi, I'm Justin Hale, a Crucial Learning Master Trainer and co-designer of our course, Crucial Teams. You've probably noticed that one constant in the workplace is friction. No matter how kind, competent, and talented your team is, you and your teammates will inevitably find yourselves at odds over how to achieve a goal, or what to work on next, or how quickly work should be done, and so on. Even a peer's personality can rub you the wrong way. This friction can lead to resentments, disengagement, conflict, inefficiencies, and poor performance. It can also lead to creativity, collaboration, innovation, connection, and success. It really depends on how well you and your teammates respond to it. In other words, friction is inevitable, but inefficiencies are optional. Crucial Teams helps people transform team differences from a source of friction into a source of strength. It helps people develop greater self-awareness and teaches skills to help them better understand their colleagues, contributing to stronger relationships and better results. The course is unique because it's built on the Strength Deployment Inventory, or SDI, a scientifically validated workplace personality assessment that helps people better understand themselves and others for healthier relationships and more productive interactions. During the course, teammates explore their own and each other's motives, the different strengths each member brings to the team, and the behaviors that can trigger conflict in the team. They also learn skills for applying these insights in their workplace interactions. This team learning experience improves self-awareness and understanding, helping team members better manage their perceptions and behaviors for more effective collaboration and teamwork. Our instructional design is every bit as powerful as our content. Here are 3 things that make the course work. First, personal application. In this course, learners explore their personal SDI results and get a deeper understanding of their motives, strengths, overdone strengths, and motives in conflict. They'll learn how their results impact the team, as well as evaluate and unpack a view of their team's collective SDI results. This insight will help them see how the makeup of their team contributes to both success and friction. They'll learn the skills for applying those SDI insights across their team to improve collaboration and performance. Second, fun and practical videos. Crucial Teams uses videos that are both illuminating and entertaining. Throughout the course, you'll learn from people who've both struggled and succeeded in working with others. These videos demonstrate how the insights and skills taught in the course can make a profound impact on team culture and interactions. Third, easy-to-use tools and materials. Our courses come with resources to help learners take their new skills from the classroom to the workplace. We provide job aids, learner guides, and after-training reminders to help people put their new skills into action. And every learner receives a personalized SDI report and access to the SDI platform. Crucial Teams is also offered in 2 learning formats, so the learning experience is convenient and flexible. Whether you're looking to elevate the performance of a healthy team or revive a team struggling with friction and seemingly unreconcilable personality differences, Crucial Teams can help. By helping people gain self-awareness and a more generous view of their teammates, you can turn friction and differences into a source of strength. We hope you and your teammates will join us and together gain the insights and skills taught in Crucial Teams.